Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie in the building. Happy New Year, guys. It's been so long since I've come back to my channels. The year 2020 has started off on a really fast pace already for me. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification for new video every single week. So my aim this year, guys, is to get my channel monetized, and I need your help to achieve this goal. So I've actually been thinking about how I could spice things up, how I could change things on my channel so I can get the subsequent amount of subscribers and watch time that I need to get my channel monetized. And you know, if you know about YouTube, I need about 1,000 subscribers and I need 4,000 hours of watch time. So you need to be watching my videos to the end, and you need to subscribe to my channel. Please do help me to achieve this goal this year, and I will be so grateful. Share my videos, comment down below, like my videos if you love it, and yeah. And I want my channel or my videos to be more educational. I want my video to be more inspiring. I want my video to teach people stuff. So this year I will be changing things a lot. I'll be spicing up my videos. So today I'll be reviewing the Primark cleaning brush. So I bought this Primark cleaning brush. Sorry guys, I have already opened it because I had to put battery on it. I was supposed to do this video earlier on, but I could not do it because I realized I had needed a battery, so I had to hold up on that until I got a battery. So I've opened it and I've put the battery that is needed on it. So yeah, but I've not used it yet. So this is the Primark cleaning brush, and it was for £15. If you can see the price tag on it there, it was for £15, and today I will be reviewing it. So this is what it looks like when you get it, when you open it. And like I said before, it does need a cleaning brush. And this is the, like I said before, sorry, it does need a battery, not a cleaning brush. Okay, so this is the brush itself, and it's got this sort of a spatula, I would say. I don't know what to call this really, but I believe you can use it to like scrape up the stuff that you've cleaned if you don't want to wash your face. I'm not too sure, but I don't think I'll be using this anyways. So what you do with the instruction, really, how to install battery, how to attach the brush to the device, use your favorite speed, place the brush against the skin. Recommend use is up to twice daily for 20 seconds. So you're recommended to use this brush twice daily for 20 seconds to actually see results. Okay, so that means every time you wash your face in the mornings and at night before you go to bed. So my face, I've just had a shower and my face is just bare at the moment. Like, okay, so I've just had a shower and there's no product on my face whatsoever. This is, welcome to my bare face if you've not seen me bare before. So this is my bare face and I'm just gonna try this product on. So first of all, you rinse your face with warm water or cold water, whichever you prefer. And now I'm going to put I like to wet my brush. I like what's going on my face a bit wet. So I've just wet the brush just a tiny bit. And now I'm going to put my black soap. So I usually use black soap for my skin, and it does help, I'll say. So So I'm gonna put my black soap on it, just around the brush, not overly excited about using too much of it. So if you press one of these, if you press this button one, that is the slow speed, and if I press it again, that is the faster speed. So I'll try the slow speed first, and then I'll try the faster speed. So let's start with the slow one. It actually feels good, guys. It does feel good, actually. I would not even lie to you guys. Like, it does feel good. When it goes over your nose, it's quite funny. Right, so what do I think about this product? I feel like it's done a good job. I feel like it scrubbed my skin very well. As you can see, there's some redness on my skin now, so that means it was actually scrubbing really well. Because when I felt it, I thought the brush was really soft and it's not going to give my skin a good scrub. But I feel like it's giving it a scrub, actually. Will I recommend this product? I will recommend this product to anyone who is interested in getting it. It's okay. It's done the job. And I think it's done a good job as well. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this product, I would recommend it for you to go ahead. It's not too bad. It's quite good. It's done the job that I wanted to do. It feels good. Although it's not opened, it's not giving it like a proper scrub like what a sponge would do on your face. But it does feel good. It really does feel good, actually. So yeah, comment down below what you think about this product, if you've used it before or if you think you would actually be getting it. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and do not forget, guys, subscribe, watch the videos to the end. Let's hit the 1000 subscribers and get this video monetized, and also get the watch time as well. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on other videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.